Hey everybody, this is Craig Lofton. I am going to show you how to assemble balance number 23. Take it out of the box. There are 4 or 5 pieces. This is the striker, that's last. This is the base. And this base is made out of cocobolo. It has engraving on it, an arrow with an N for north. That is away from you, north. Then there is a post, also made out of cocobolo. Has a notch at the top for balancing. The bells on it. If you look at it, you'll notice the shape. This notch goes from west to east in here. And the big lower opening is on the west side or left side there. And then the bells are you can adjust the chain length so that one side is longer than the other, and I like the west or the left side to be longer. So I make that a little bit longer. And if you look, you turn it like that, in the middle on the bottom of the beam, there's an indentation. It's going to sit right in the center of this notch, just like that. And you don't have to be real precise with it. It'll just sit right there. And now you have it set up. And you can take the striker and hit the G and F notes. And that's how you set it up. And if you have any questions, you can call me, text me at 808-280-7500. Thank you.